How to choose and enable your YouTube handle. Handles are a way for you to find and connect with creators on YouTube. Handles are unique and short channel identifiers separate from channel names, and they start with the @ symbol. Watch this video to learn how to enable or change your handle. And while you're here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. So to be able to view or change a handle, you'll be notified in the YouTube studio and by email when you can choose your handle. So if you've already received that email, first open up a web browser on either your desktop or your mobile device and go to youtube.com/handle. It will then prompt you to open up the app, so you must ensure that you have the app installed on your mobile device if that's what you're using. So tap on Open App. Now it's time to choose your handle, so tap on Choose Handle. And then in here, you have to confirm your handle or create a new one. So it's suggested one for my channel name, so I'm just going to tap on Confirm Selection. But if you wanted to change it, you can actually change it yourself. But note that your handle must follow these guidelines. So it has to be between 3 and 30 characters. It is made up of alphanumeric characters. It can also include underscores, hyphens, and periods. It cannot be like a URL or your phone number, and it cannot already be used. Also, YouTube will not allow violent, offensive, sexualized, or spammy handles, or they will never allow the sale and transfer of handles. So once you've gone through all that, I'm just going to confirm my selection. Now I've successfully selected my handle. Handles will start appearing on YouTube later this year. So my channel has a new URL, so it's youtube.com/@tipsfornoobs. And my existing channel URLs will continue to work. And just tap on OK, and that's all it takes to update your YouTube handle. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.